So we are so excited because we got our first car here in Mexico and we decided we would go on our first road trip. So our destination is Tepic, Nayarit, which is my hometown, and I chose this place because I was really excited about showing my favorite places to my husband, and so here we are on our way to Tepic.
Gotta work for the both of us. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry now, cause we stay in control in the name of love. For the both of us, I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in love. When you ride with me, gotta worry when tomorrow comes.
Our first stop, of course, was the beach, and I took my husband to one of my favorite beaches.
Es una tiendita.
¿Dónde?
Ya la pasamos.
Me salí de aquí para volver a si la rutina me quiere quitar la calma, voy hacia el vacío donde olvidé recordar.
The next day, we woke up super early so that we could go on a hike, and as you can tell, I am extremely out of shape. I haven't exercised in such a long time that I was barely able to breathe on this hike, but it was really worth it. You'll see in just a second. I wasn't even able to hike all the way to the top because I was just way too tired, but here is the view. The next day, we woke up super early once again because we had planned to drive all the way down to this beautiful lake. So, here is a very quick view of the lake from the top.
Ya está bien arreglada, güey. Esta bajada no tenía nada, güey. Nomás era tierra así para abajo.
So, on our way back, we found this little creek, and we, of course, decided to stop for a little bit. Unfortunately, right after we started driving, our car broke down, and I ended up not filming all of this because we ended up staying in the small town and getting a mechanic to get our car back on the road, which we were very fortunate to find somebody and be able to come back home because, as some of you might know, I start working this week and I was really worried I wasn't gonna make it for my first day, but I did, so yay. But yeah, as soon as we got our car fixed, we went back to my hometown, and then the day after, we drove back home. And so that is all for the vlog. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys next time.